Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I am going to model this simple character in Blender. There is nothing to do in this character. This is very simple character. Anyone can model this type of character. So let's start. Hello friends, that's it. So here is our model. So this is our model done in Blender. This is very easy model. Anyone can model this type of models. I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more modeling videos like this. Also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.